Shaggy dog that's covered with mud. Seems the brother and sister see the dog covered with mud and get a brilliant idea. They get out the family swimming pool, quite a small pool. Then the brother and sister try with all their might to pull the dog and push the dog into the swimming pool where he'll have his bath. Now we see the boy hosing off the dog in the pool while the sister tries to hold him in place. Next, the boy is still working to scrub down the dog while the sister unloads a whole box of soap, detergent, onto the dog. Now the boy is hosing off the dog, and the girl is sitting up by the dog's head, holding him still. Finally, the dog is hosed off and is out of the pool and is being dried off with a towel. Now we see the dog giving a good shake and getting both the girl and the boy completely drenched. Now we see the dog clean and dry, and the brother and sister are drenched.